Hello, do you know that when somebody is suddenly collapsing, there are two main organs that are involved? It's either the heart or the brain. And every other thing that can cause a sudden collapse is also affecting the heart or the brain indirectly. For example, a low blood sugar can affect the brain and cause somebody to collapse because there's no glucose for the brain to use, and the brain is exhausted and the person will collapse. A high blood sugar will cause somebody to collapse because there's plenty sugar in the blood. It will now dehydrate the brain. It will cause water to move from the brain into the blood, and then the brain will not have adequate water. So by severe dehydration in the brain, somebody can also collapse. You see, something can be happening in the system and indirectly affecting the brain on the heart and causing somebody to collapse. For example, extremes of good news, extremes of bad news can cause a cardiogenic shock. Not the heart that is diseased, but something that is coming from other system is now affecting the heart. While the heart itself can also be diseased and be the reason of sudden collapse, myocardial infarction, constant cardiac failure, cardiac arrest, all the other things. Okay, while the brain too can also be affected when there is a stroke, when there is ischemia, when blood is not going to the brain or blood has bled into the brain from a ruptured blood vessels. So note today, anything that will cause somebody to suddenly collapse is directly or indirectly affecting the heart and the brain. Bye.